Welcome to the fascinating world of Solidworks motion studies, where your design ideas come to life through dynamic simulation. Today, we're diving into the basics of motion studies in Solidworks. Motion studies are graphical simulations that bring motion to your assembly models. They are essential for visualizing how your design functions in the real world without altering the actual model. Solidworks offers three types of motion studies: animation, basic motion, and motion analysis. Each serves a unique purpose in bringing your designs to life. Animation is available in core Solidworks. It's perfect for creating visually appealing presentations. You can animate assembly motions, set key points, and let Solidworks interpolate the movements in between. Basic motion, also part of core Solidworks, is your go-to for approximating the effects of motors, springs, contact, and gravity. It considers mass in calculations, making it ideal for physics-based simulations that are both quick and presentation-worthy. For a more detailed analysis, motion analysis, available with the Solidworks Motion add-in, is your tool. It accurately simulates the effects of motion elements like forces, springs, dampers, and friction. It's powerful, taking into account material properties, mass, and inertia. With Motion Manager, a timeline-based interface, you can easily manage these studies, change viewpoints, display properties, and create animations that showcase the functionality of your assembly. Whether you're designing complex machinery or simple mechanical components, Solidworks motion studies bring your designs closer to reality, ensuring that they not only look good but also perform as intended. Embark on your journey of discovery and innovation with Solidworks motion studies. Transform your ideas into motion and watch your designs come to life.